Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to open an older version of a Premiere Pro project in the latest 2025 version. Let us get started. Step 1. Locate the project file. First, find your Premiere Pro project file. It will have a .proj extension. Step 2. Open the project in Premiere Pro 2025. Launch Premiere Pro 2025. Drag and drop the project file into the workspace or go to File, Open Project, and select the file. Step 3. Handle the compatibility prompt. Premiere will display a message. This project was created in an older version of Premiere Pro. It needs to be converted. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Step 4. Save the converted project. Click OK to continue. When prompted, choose Save As, give it a new name, and select the folder where you want to save the updated project file. Step 5. Verify the project. Once the project opens, check your media, timeline, and effects to ensure everything is intact. Sometimes minor adjustments may be needed. Step 6. Backup the original file. Keep the original project file as a backup in case you need it for future reference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below for more creative tips and tutorials. Happy editing!